Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to talk about the AI agent with Make. I think you've already seen my training where I showed step by step how to create that agent. I'll leave the training up there if you just want to watch it. But what's very interesting with the use of multiple automations. With Make, this agent is a very powerful agent. Today I won't show you the configuration of this agent, but I will try to answer a question. There are a lot of people who have written to me in private messages asking why they don't have this option on their account, Make, to actually be able to test this agent. So, it's completely normal. Don't forget that this agent is actually still in beta version. Therefore, to be able to create it, to set it up, you simply needed to have a Make Pro account. But today, to actually support our training, Make has provided what we call academic support and has given us access, where we can create an account to learn and master Make and master the agents. And so when you look there, there is no AI agent. But if you create an account using the special Make Academic Support link, you will automatically get the link to test, work with, and try out the Make AI agent. Of course, within a limited period. So I will simply provide you with the bot registration link. Special Make at the bottom in the description so that you can easily start your first scenario with Make and simply harness the power of this artificial intelligence. So, for those who, of course, want to go a bit further, I have simply gathered on my website here a package that contains practically my best sellers on Udemy. So here I have 22 courses that are mainly about coding on Make as well. These are courses that have been created over time. They are long courses that contain all the workflows, the entire scenario creation process step by step. Here, we guide you. We also provide you with the workflows to download and test in Blueprint version. So, to access it, it's very simple. Here, you add your email address and you will actually use this coupon. It's a coupon that also allows you to get an additional discount to access all my courses. So this package is guaranteed. 14 days, because I know very well that after 14 days, you will be able to create your first workflow automatically and in a simple and autonomous way. Because my courses are designed from beginner to expert. Once you have access to the package, you will see that this is your back office, and of course it all depends on the package you have chosen. And all the courses, you will see, for example, if I take the Make one there, I click, you will find the links at the beginning. So here, of course, is the update with the link that allows you to access the AI agents. And you, Kashi, will find the blueprint to download. Then, on your left side, you will always find my videos that are well explained here. So, on the left, you click on the title and off you go. You will find the video where I explain to you step by step how to create your project. So I thank you very much, and I'll see you right away in the next video. Thank you.